Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. This one has the lighting package, which is going to give you adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlights and tail lamps. Black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This does come with the driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, pre-safe, speed limit assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, burl walnut trim, multimedia package with voice command, navigation, rear view backup camera, advanced parking assist package with surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media displays, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 22,229 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.